Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. Look what we have here today. We're going to dig for bones. They belong to a woolly mammoth. Do you know what a woolly mammoth is? Yes, it's a species of elephant. I wonder if there's more. Let's keep checking. We found something over here. It looks like a tusk. This is the second one we found. Do you know how many tusks a woolly mammoth has? Yes, 2. Do you know what a tusk is? It's like a very long bone that comes out of their face, like a very long tooth. That's so cool. Let's see if there's more. Look what we have. It's a tooth. How cool! I think we found all the bones that belong to the woolly mammoth. Do you want to try to piece the puzzle together? Yeah! Okay, let's do that. This is a woolly mammoth. And these are the fossils that we found. Let's try to piece them together to make it look like this. Are you ready? These two look like the rib cage. Let's put them together. I wonder how to do this. Can you help me? I think they go in here. We need to clean it. Let's put it together now. Look at that. Let's keep going. I wonder what part of the woolly mammoth this is. I wonder if this is the head of the woolly mammoth. Let's find out together. Could it go here? I think it goes in here. We did it. I wonder what part of the woolly mammoth this is. It looks like the back legs. I wonder where this belongs. Could it be here? Let's see what we have. We have the 2 tusks. Let's put them in the woolly mammoth's mouth. Look at that. These look like each other. So do these. Let's put them in groups so we know what we're doing. I wonder what this is. I think this is the mouth. It's the woolly mammoth's jaw. Let's put the legs together. Now we're going to put the arms together. Now that we have put the legs together, let's put them on the woolly mammoth. It's going to look so cool. Let's put the other legs on. We did it! Look at that! The fossil of a woolly mammoth. Do you see this? It's got 4 legs, a tail, tusks, a face and a trunk. Look at this. The tail, legs in the back, 2 legs in the front, the head, the trunk, and 2 tusks. Super cool! We found the woolly mammoth fossil. Thank you so much for helping me and learning about woolly mammoths today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!